Hello guys, today I present to you a new odometer blocker from Super Kilometer Filter for the Audi SQ5. We'll install the device, activate it, and do a test drive to see how it actually works. Let's start. As you know, the blocker must be installed behind the speedometer in the main cable plug. For this, we will have to remove all the screws and cover on the dashboard to get the speedometer. First of all, I will tell you that in order to remove all this, we will need a set of special removal tools, which you can also buy on our website. So we start with the left side dashboard cover, secured with clips, and remove it with the plastic removal tool. We remove the screw under it, then this plastic cover and the screw under it. After that, we move on and remove the plastic cover attached to the entire dashboard. Then, this detail. To completely remove this part, we need to remove one screw inside here. Here, we unscrew all the screws along the entire length. Now we need to remove the glove box. Remove the two screws below, and the glove box is removed. Then, with the help of these two keys, we can easily remove this panel. Then the two screws inside it. And the front panel of the dashboard are easily released with the help of this removable tool. The turn of the speedometer has come. Since we removed all the details around it, now we can freely pull out the speedometer. Here we see one plug, this is the main cable of the speedometer, and we connect our odometer blocker as follows. This plug of the blocker here, and on the other side we connect the main cable coming from the system. This is a longer version of the blocker and has a blind plug. This means that we will remove it from the dash and leave it so that the next time we go to the service center we can easily remove it and replace it with a blind plug. After that, the blocker will be deactivated. So, everything is ready. Now let's move on to activation. We can activate it manually from the steering wheel buttons. Press the OK button for 10 seconds. And we also have an app. Download it to your smartphone. And by enabling its many functions from the app, you'll be able to control the odometer blocker as much as possible. With the app, you can switch from kilometers to mileage, or vice versa. You can also choose several languages, change the design, etc. Then we enter the trip section, and includes the original mileage of the car. In my case, the original mileage of this Audi is 336 kilometers. Then we go to the mode section, where you can switch from mode to mode. Let's go. Now I have it set to the first mode, I am driving the car, and as you can see, the odometer does not count the mileage. Now I will change it to the second mode, which means the odometer will only count 5% of the distance traveled. Third mode, only 10% of the actual mileage is recorded. And the fourth, 100% of the actual mileage is recorded, and the device is deactivated. Everything is as original. That's it. We drove a considerable distance, and now let's see how much the car recorded and how much we actually drove. You can see the actual mileage only in the trip section of the app. Do you see? Only 0.5 kilometers are recorded on the car's odometer, and the real 13.6 kilometers in the application. The actual mileage of the car should be 349 kilometers, and we have 337 kilometers on the odometer. That's all, guys. If you also decide to buy this device, visit superkilometerfilter.com and you will solve everything easily. Good luck.